Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I explained how to choose the right dataset for your final year project. After selecting a dataset, the most common question students will ask is, what tools should I use to build my project? So in this video, I clearly explain the tools which are required for machine learning and IoT final year projects in a simple manner. So tools plays a very important role in your project execution. If you choose the right tools, it will help your project to become so smooth. If you choose the wrong tools, you may face unnecessary problems. So many of the students are wasting their time on learning the tools which are not at all even required for their project also. Let's start with the machine learning projects. So for most machine learning projects, Python is the preferred programming language. So you don't need to learn multiple languages. Along with the Python, basic libraries like NumPy, Pandas and skitlearn along with the matplotlib also most important, and these are enough for a final year projects. Now coming to the platform where you need to run your code. So if you are a beginner, then you can go with the Google Colab. It is a very good option because you don't need to install anything. So at the same time, you can also use Jupyter Notebook or a PyCharm also you can use, but don't complicate the things. So always choose one platform and stick with it. Now let's talk about the IoT projects. So IoT projects are usually require both hardware and the software. Commonly used hardware maybe includes like Arduino, Node MCU or the Raspberry Pi. Then IoT software tools, these are for writing code for the IoT devices. So Arduino IDE is widely used and easy to learn. So for storing or visualizing any data, so you can go with the platforms like ThinkSpeak or the Firebase or most like a commonly they will be used. And you don't need to use all of them. So you can use what is required for your project. So always go with the one platform and stick to it. One common mistake students make is trying to learn too many tools at the same time. So there will be like some tools which are not required for our project and some will be more useful for our project. But many of the students are trying to learn the multiple tools at the same time. So this will create the confusion and it is going to affect the project's quality also. So remember always that guides and examiners do not expect you to use advanced tools. They just expect the clarity from you. And they need to get the answer from you like why you have used this tool means you need to be in a stage to answer their question in a standard manner. And for the purpose of using the tool you need to explain. So always remember this simple rule, that is simple tools used properly with a clear explanation will always get better marks than complex tools with weak understanding. So in the previous video we discussed choosing the right dataset. Once your dataset is so clear, choose proper tools that support the dataset and not tools that look fancy. So your project should be easy to explain during reviews and the vibe. So I hope that this video helps you to understand which tools are actually required for the final year projects. So if you found this helpful or the useful, subscribe to Srivalli channel for simple and the practical final year project guidance. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.